But
hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today, what time is it, Mum?
Birchbox time, and I actually
Birchbox time.
I got it 2 days ago, so that's really quite quick.
Yeah, because we're normally very late to upload. I'd like to apologise about the fact I look like a bag of smashed crabs.
I
do.
You're just a bit poorly.
Yeah, so that's why Mum looks especially glam in her lipstick and all that jazz. And I look like shit.
I've only got lipstick on.
Yeah, you look really glamorous. Look how pale I look.
Yeah, like a bucket.
Yeah, so bad.
Oh, you're just ripping it up to bits, are you?
Oh, that's a pretty box.
Yes.
Really pretty. Let me see if I can get it to focus on the colours.
No. Oh,
there
yeah,
we go. Look at that.
Pretty, like a
super pretty.
a water.
Oh, and
it's
a
push me pull you. Oh, it's one of those.
I like that. That's my favourite one.
It?
Right. Oh, and there's a mirror.
Is it a mirror?
I think so.
No.
It's got a plastic thing on it.
Is it?
Oh, I might have just ripped it.
Oh. We'll leave it.
No, I've just ripped it, I think. I think it is a mirror. It's got a plastic coating on it. You can see it has that. I can't get it off, but there's a mirror. Okay, you hold that then.
I'll hold the magic box.
Pick your first item. Oh, let me just see what it says.
Look, darling, it's pretty simple. Look, I managed to do it.
I don't feel very well.
But she obviously was incapable, and this is what was on it. Hold on.
Yeah, that's right. So it says, hello Birchboxes. Okay. April marks the start of a new season and the chance to embrace a whole lot of spring positivity. Whether you believe in the healing power of crystals or not, we love the feel-good vibes that this represents, and it doesn't hurt that they're beautiful. So all month long, we're reflecting the sparkle that you exude naturally.
Rubbish,
I don't, definitely not at the minute.
Anyway, the first thing I've picked out is this. What do you do, darling? I can't do it.
You can do it, like you just...
It's the Professional.
There you go.
There you go.
You got to do the next one.
The Professional.
Benefit Professional. This is a nice primer. The full size one of these is big. This is a teeny sample. It's £28. It's silky oil-free primer. It's got dimethicone in it, so it feels very silicone-y. You don't have to open that if you want. I've got one you can feel if you want to.
Okay, it's all right. I can manage without.
But it's a primer.
The green stuff that you put on.
No, that was a colour correcting primer.
Oh,
this one is to fill your pores.
Oh, right, like
you don't have any. Yeah, you don't have any for some reason because she's just evil.
Thank you, darling.
Who doesn't have pores?
I've got pores.
No, you haven't.
I have, look.
She literally hasn't at all.
And wrinkles.
Wrinkles aren't the same as pores. It won't fill your wrinkles.
Look.
We'll definitely need some polyfiller for that. You can't hit pregnant people.
I can on their arm.
You can't, it's illegal.
Your arm isn't having the baby.
Oh, this looks fancy.
This is a very, it's hologrammatic sort of.
Holographic.
Hologrammatic, I think is a much better word. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's like
it's Vitamasks.
petrol on water.
Oh, and it's diamond iPads. This is $4.99. Whether it's a late Netflix fueled night or a tiring commute, chances are, yes, iPads.
$4.99 for that?
Yeah. That'd be really good. I love Vitamask stuff.
Oh God.
Enter this all-star blend of diamond powder, yes really, and caffeine to hydrate, brighten and depuff. You won't be able to do it with this because it's holographic.
I have done it. Aren't I clever? Yeah. So I was able to do it.
She was able to do it.
Yeah.
They'll be lovely.
Oh, right, okay.
You put them on when you're in the evenings having a big bottle of gin.
Don't drink gin, darling. Right,
I've seen you drink gin.
I do drink an odd gin and tonic, but not by the bottle load.
You just said you don't drink gin.
I do drink gin, but not by... What's this?
It's broken. It's what it is.
It's
you'll have to message him. This is Estate Cosmetics, and it's a highlighter, and it's £10.
No,
but Mum's is broken, so
it's all in.
It's completely
bits.
smashed. Go on, Mum. Go on. It's the camera that doesn't. There you go. Sort of.
It's sort of in
the camera
bits.
can see me.
Really in bits.
Look, let's open it, but try and do it carefully.
It will fall out, darling.
It won't if we're really careful. Yeah.
And it was in a little box.
It's completely smashed. So, but the box had no damage on it, so this must have gone in broken.
Yeah.
So we'll contact them. But it's like a gold
something
highlighter.
Like
it's pretty. Look.
Yeah.
It's pretty. So this is £10. Silky smooth powder brightens and highlights. Sweep in a single sweep. We know how to do highlighter. Baked technology creates a sheer light texture with a buildable looking radiance. Trust us. Okay, Birchbox.
Now the next thing is this.
This is Balance Me. You might like this, but my skin doesn't like this.
I don't know how to do
You
this.
do, just because you're going too quick. You got to get your face out of it because otherwise it'll focus on your face. There you go. Balance Me. Good job.
Which is an eye cream, a wonder eye cream.
Perk up your peepers with this wonderful multitasking
Making some really good words today, aren't
Using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils, it will depuff, soften and brighten. Simply tap and blend 99% natural cream all around your eyes day and night. So it'll make your eyes nice.
Okay.
And not puffed up.
Okay, they don't look puffed up, do they?
No, but generally.
They do generally
No,
look
most
puffed
people's
up.
eyes, like
Mine
over
don't.
here. Mine are.
Oh, maybe you should have it.
Because I'm tired.
I don't think it'll make any difference then, will it?
It might do.
Anyway.
It'll be good.
This thing here is a Human Plus Kind.
A body souffle, full size 1645. Lightly whipped cream makes nourishing your body feel like a luxurious task. A massage in the velvety and uber moisturizing ingredients, aloe vera and a multitude. Because you've got our faces in it.
Sorry.
There you go.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, there's a delivery driver.
Oh, could that be for you?
Don't know. I'm not expecting anything. That's nice. Have a sniff. See what it smells like.
Oh, it smells clean. See what you think.
I'll just smell my hand without putting it on.
It smells clean.
Oh, it smells like cucumber.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really
Cucumber.
nice. Really nice.
And then in here also is a voucher
For Monica Venada.
£15 off.
Yeah, we'll put it.
So Lucy will do whatever she
I'll keep
does.
that so I can put it in the box down below.
Yeah.
Next month, you've got a choice of Lord and Berry again. Lord and Berry, literally nobody buys Lord and Berry. They only appear in beauty boxes.
Right.
So you've got either, if they'll ask you to choose, tell them you'll want the lip liner because you will, because it's a nice colour for you.
Okay, all right.
It's in vintage, looks nice, but otherwise it's the eyeliner which you won't use.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
So that was
I think that was quite good.
it was all right. It didn't weigh very much.
Apart
though,
from
does
the
it? But it's a nice
the
little
highlighter.
box. And the highlighter's all smashed
Yeah.
and smushed up.
but we'll contact them. It's all right. I'll take some
Yeah.
pictures and we'll contact them for you.
Will you?
Yeah.
All right then. Okay, that's
Message
good,
them.
isn't it? Right, well,
Anybody can do that.
what?
Contact them and tell them it's
Oh,
smashed.
can they?
Of course you can.
All right, okay.
If your washing machine arrived broken, you wouldn't pay
I
for it
would
to take
not.
it.
No.
So you can tell them.
Okay, all right then. That's fair enough then. Stop laughing at me. Oh, it obviously wasn't for you, that delivery
I haven't
driver.
got
She's so
anything.
depressing. It looked like that.
Distressing? You're making up words
Depressing.
now.
It's like depressing and something else.
Is that a real word or has she just made that up?
I've just made it up.
Okay, you sounded, you're talking bollocks. You sounded like you were genuine.
I'm very good at that.
You are.
I have to do it at work most days.
Gift of the gab.
Yeah.
Go on then, do your outro.
All right then. Okay, so if you've enjoyed watching Lucy's little video, even though she's feeling a bit poorly today, she's perked up actually since I got here today. So that's good that I turned up today.
Yeah.
And we've been out to the post office, which was exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so if you enjoyed watching Lucy's little video with me as an added bonus, you should subscribe to her channel by pressing a button somewhere, but I'm not sure which one. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys.